Hey everyone. In the age of AI, the easiest way to create software isn't by typing out all the code yourself. Instead, you can just tell an AI to do it for you. This is called prompting. And when you give AI precise instructions, it can do some amazing things. In this video, I'm going to share some best practices for prompting AI to create software, and we'll even build a simple app together. First, let's walk through an example. You can follow along with any AI chat system like ChatGPT, Gemini, or the one built into this website. You start by giving it a prompt, which is just a set of instructions. For example, I'll tell it, create a web page to help me write birthday cards. When I give a person's name, age, and hobby, it should give me back a funny message. After I do that, the AI might generate a simple app that looks like this. It's a good start. You can enter a name, age, and hobby, and it gives you a decent message. But what if you want it to look better? You can continue the conversation. I could say, make it prettier by adding a festive title and colors. And just like that, I get a second, better-looking version. Still not quite right. I can get even more specific. Display the content on the right side and make it look like it's inside a birthday card. Now I have a third version. If I have more ideas, I can keep giving it instructions like add a fun title at the top. This iterative process is how I actually work with AI. I start with a basic idea, see what I get, and then I repeatedly tell the AI how to improve it. So, when you're building software with AI, there are a few key building blocks you'll often use in your prompts. One is the goal. For us, the goal is to create a web page to help write birthday cards. Another is the input, which is what the user needs to provide, like the name, age, and hobby. Then there's the output, what the software should generate, like a funny message. You also have the layout, which is how you want the app to be arranged, what goes on the left, what's on the right. And finally, any special features you want to add. There are many ways to write good prompts, but as you get started, thinking about these 5 building blocks, goal, input, layout, special features, and output is a great approach. Now, you don't have to add these one by one. If you already know what you want, you can put it all into one big, detailed prompt. For example, I could combine all my instructions into a single longer prompt specifying the goal, the inputs, the funny message output, the colors, and everything else. Instead of building step by step, giving all the instructions at once can give you a much better first version of your app, which you can then refine further if needed. Whether you write one long prompt or give instructions incrementally, I usually start by stating the goal. The order of the other building blocks isn't super important, and you don't always need to use all of them. The AI is pretty good at understanding different arrangements. If this feels like a lot, don't worry. Just tell the AI what's on your mind, even if it's not perfect. You can always work back and forth with it to get to what you want. Over time, you'll get better at giving more specific instructions. Why is that important? Because the results you get can vary. Even with a very specific prompt, running it multiple times might give you slightly different, but still great versions of your app. On the other hand, if you give a very vague prompt like, create a web page to help me write birthday cards, the results you get can be wildly different and unpredictable each time. The more specific your prompts, the more predictable your results will be, but there will always be a little bit of variability. If you get something you don't like, that's okay. Just give the AI more instructions to steer it closer to what you want. The best way to learn this is to try it yourself. I'm going to copy and paste my first prompt to create the birthday card web page. The AI will think for a bit and then generate the code for the web page. You'll notice the download button is grayed out while it's working. Once the AI is done, you can click the download button. I'm on a Mac using Chrome, but I'll show you what to do on other systems. I'll open the downloaded file, and there it is, my little birthday card generator. I can type in a name and details, and it creates a message. This is a piece of code, an HTML file, that's now running right on your own computer. Now, let's improve it. I'll add the next prompt. Add a festive title and colors. The AI updates the code. Wait for it to finish. Download the new version and open it. Wow, it looks much more festive. So I'd like you to try this out for yourself. You can use my prompts or even try your own. These prompts will work on other popular AI systems too, like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. The skills you're learning here aren't tied to any single platform. When you download the file, it will usually go to your downloads folder, please give this a try. After you've built your first web app, I hope you'll adopt a certain mindset. Getting feedback is a fantastic step in building software. Whenever I create something, I show it to friends, family, or even ask strangers for their thoughts. Getting feedback helps me see how to make it even better. Plus, if you make someone laugh, it's really encouraging and gives you the energy to keep going. So, here's what I'd like you to do now. Go to the next item in this course and try it out. Get the AI to generate some code, download the file, and see what you get. If you feel up to it, show it to a friend and get their feedback. After you've done that, come back for the next video. We all continue working on our birthday card app and look at how to add even more fun and interesting features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.